Namaste, I'm Aman Pona. Wesmarc Super Doors and Frames come integrated with some smart and intelligent features that make your life simple. Our new age profile of rebated doors ensures that there's no gap between the door and the frame. In fact, the door actually overlaps the frame. Our frames, which include the jamb and the architraves, ensure it completely wraps the entire thickness of your wall. This not only provides a more seamless and aesthetic look, it also higher structural integrity for the installation compared to traditional frames. The combination of our rebated profile doors, our full wall wrap adjustable frames, which come integrated with an acoustic seal around it, ensures that every time you shut the door, you have a soft close. Not only that, it's a tight close, which also ensures no AC losses and sound leaks. A Wesmarc Super Door, even though it's 45 mm thick, solid, and super heavy, ranging almost up to 75 kgs, can be very easily opened and closed by anyone and using just a pinky finger. Our Wesmarc Super Doors and Frames ensure a 35 decibel level of acoustic insulation, which is significant to reduce the leakage of sound and noise through a wall opening. This is significantly higher compared to the market generics and ensures minimal sound or noise leakages through the door and the frame. The system is also smart to prevent the leaks of smoke in the event of a fire. Our new age 5-directional adjustable hinges are unique in its own way. They are tamper-proof, light, and allow for easy installation of the door to the frame that saves time and effort. Besides the options of multi-lock, our entrance doors also come pre-integrated with concealed security doors on the hinge side that provide the doors to get locked on the frame at 5 different multi-locking points. So when you buy a Wesmarc Super Door, you get a complete system which includes the door, the frame, the hardware, and all the other installation accessories, which are all feature-packed, full of benefits. This truly makes it a smart solution and you save time, money, and effort.